In this video, we are going to move our focus to the text view. There are several things we need to do to get the text view ready for operation. The first, and what we will do in this video, is to keep track of the number of characters the text view is holding. We need this value to display to the user since Twitter has a 140 character limit. The second is to adjust some of the text view's properties, and we will tackle that in the next video. In order for us to keep track of the text view's character count, we will need to be notified each and every time the text in the text view changes. NSTextView hosts a notification to the NS Notification Center for just this purpose. It is called NSTextDidChange Notification. The NS Notification Center is basically a dispatch service. You can post notifications there and then receive them when a specified event happens. To receive the NSTextDidChange notification, we need to inform the Notification Center that we want to be listed as an observer. We do this with an addObserver selector name object method. The best place to put this is in the awaitFromNib method. I'll add a pragma mart for the application methods. We'll add the awaitFromNib method. And here we'll register to receive that notification from the text view. So we're talking to the NS Notification Center. And it has a class method called defaultCenter, which will return us an instance of NS Notification Center. We'll use the method addObserver selector name object. So when I start typing this in, it's going to give me addObserver for key path, and that's not the one I want. I'm going to hit the escape key, and the one we want is just below that. So I'll select it and enter. The observer that we want to add is our self, so we'll use the self keyword. The selector we're going to use, and a selector is just a method that's inside of our class. So we say @selector, and then in parens, we're going to put the selector name, which is our method name. And we haven't written this method yet, but we'll do that next. And we'll call it tweetTextChanged. And this method requires a colon at the end. That's part of the name. We'll finish the parens. And the notification that we're looking for is the NSTextDidChange notification. And for object, we'll insert nil. And I'll put all these on their own line. Just for readability. And since we're adding ourselves as an observer in our awaitFromNib method, we're going to want to release this in our dealloc method. And we don't have a dealloc method, so we'll create one. And the way we set ourselves up to receive notifications, we use the addObserver selector name object method. To remove ourselves, we'll use the removeObserver name object method. So here we'll do the same thing. We're going to talk to NS Notification Center. It's default center. And we're going to say removeObserver name object. The observer is our self. The name is NSTextDidChange notification. And the object again is nil. Our next step then is to set up our tweetTextChanged method. We will finish this lesson in the next video.